Alright, I'm assuming I found the wire. It seems like it. Alright, the weather's gotten nice enough that get back in the boat. I got a few things I want to do. I want to upgrade a few things. The cheapo stereo that I bought, the CD stopped working, same as the other one. So I got a newer one that I think I'm going to take this, move it over here or over here, and then it's a round stereo, it's a USB, all that kind of jazz. So put that there. Right now I want to upgrade the horn a bit. So when we passed the tug that one time and he gave us a salute, boop boop, we tried to give him a salute back, but when you got a little wimpy horn you can't hear it. So I'm going to try, I got something different. I'm going to try change it out. So this is the little wimpy horn. Should be able to just unscrew that, pull the wires out a bit, cut them off, and then I got a bigger trumpet horn. So we'll see how that goes. Now I'm gonna have to see if I can get at this under the dash. Hopefully I can. Alright, I'm assuming I found the wire. It seems like it. Now the only issue with that is attached to another wire, so pretty sure that's it. Had to cut all the bundles and everything, but seems to be it. Alright, there's the new horn. It's a trumpet horn, 12 volt. A little bit bigger than the old one. So we'll see if it makes a difference. They give you rubber gaskets and they give you bolts, but I can't get at the bolts, so I gotta put screws in there, stainless screws. So let's see if we can feed this through. I had to add a little wire to shove it through there so I can grab it. Now let's see if I can pull that through or not without pulling it off. I'm gonna knock this thing over. Alright, seems to have gone through. I have to clean this up and put some better shed on it. This is just caulking they put on it. So I dropped the screw in the crushed rock. I can't find it in there, so the only other one I had is a little different, but it'll work just fine. And now I gotta find the hole. Just gotta fill in the old holes. That's gonna have to do. Yeah, I still got the dash apart, so it was easier to trace the wires coming from the button. This is what I've been dealing with under here. Now, I'm gonna attach the new wires on, see if it works. All right, wires are attached. That was a moment of truth. That's a little better. That works right on. Now I gotta bundle all the wires up, but I gotta do some dash work anyways, because gotta make sure all the wires are still good and connected. And that's that. Thanks for watching.